Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to automatically forward specific emails in Gmail in this full 2026 guide. If you want certain messages to instantly move to another account, yeah, Gmail's filter system makes it pretty simple. First, open Gmail, click the gear icon at the top right, and choose See All Settings. Then go to the tab called Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Click Add a forwarding address and type the email where you want messages to be forwarded. Gmail will send a verification code, check that other inbox, copy the code, and paste it into Gmail to confirm the address. Now go back to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click Create a new filter. Here you can choose the sender, the subject, or keywords, whatever you want Gmail to watch for automatically. If you want only work messages forwarded, type that sender into the From box. Or if you're forwarding certain topics, you can use keywords like invoice. Next, click Create Filter and check the option that says Forward it to. Choose the address you verified earlier. If you want Gmail to also forward older matching emails, check the box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Then click Create Filter to save everything. From now on, Gmail will instantly forward the messages that match your rule. And that's it. Your auto-forwarding setup is ready. Hope this helped.